a neurodivergent client and they happen to have a sensitivity to light, the lighting becomes really important within that space. So understanding what their level of sensitivity is, whether it's an indirect or direct access to light, you need to have an idea of what that is so that you can create, the lighting within that space that's going to work with them. Because if you don't, what ends up happening is you trigger discomfort, you trigger stress, you can even trigger nausea. There's so many things that you can end up triggering because of their sensitivity to light. Okay. Now you might have other clients, for instance, that might have a sensitivity to noise. And so the standard, reduction of noise reduction or acoustics or panelings or things that we would use, like for instance, the exhaust fan in the kitchen might be normal for me, but for others, it could just trigger them and create such a stress response. So having an understanding of that might help you to specify a different product for them, or maybe it's more an insulated type of environment, or insulating it more so that you're not having those stressors.
Be sure to subscribe to KBB's YouTube channel and click the like button on our videos. You can also subscribe to KBB's From the Tap podcast on such apps as Apple, Spotify, Pandora, and Google Podcasts, and please feel free to leave a review.